Strapped for cash and not sure how to make some extra money? See this video for some quick tips on how to make money fast. 1. Try freelancing. Use your current skills to provide project-based services to clients. Graphic design, writing, programming, marketing, and consulting are possible avenues by which to make money freelancing, depending on your expertise in these fields. Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com offer many ways to find clients and make money rapidly. 2. Online selling can be a way to earn some quick cash. Start by selling unwanted stuff or buying from wholesalers or manufacturers. eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify make setting up an online store and reaching a large audience easy. 3. If you have any assets you're not currently making use of, consider renting them. This could involve renting out a room on Airbnb, renting out your car on Turo, or renting out any spare equipment or tools. The sharing economy makes it easy to monetize your assets this way and start making money.